Party accounts. Trade cycle. When trade is done on credit, the transaction sale purchase happens first and then the payment is made by debtor to creditor to clear up the dues. In some cases, advance payment may be made first and then the sale purchase transaction happens later. The complete payment of dues on account of the transaction by the debtor to trade creditor closes the trade cycle and the ledger account balances of the party, customer, supplier in their books become zero. Closed account. So when the trade cycle is completed, that is closed, the balance on account of the transaction becomes zero, indicating that no amount is payable or receivable on account of the transaction. Open account. Open account means there is some balance still receivable, payable on account of a specific transaction. Often there are numerous transactions and open balance amounts in respect of multiple deals. To avoid dispute, maintain complete details of transaction, make payment in time, and to charge interest penalty for delayed payments, it is necessary to keep details of each transaction and the open balance in respect of each such deal. Transaction reference. Transaction reference or bill reference is the unique identity number to link all the transactions in respect of a deal. It may be invoice number, order number, contract number, or any other reference initiating the transaction. The bill reference number, that is transaction number, is used to link all the transactions chronologically and to compute the balance due, payable or receivable against the reference number. Accounts receivable and payable, also called AR and AP. Accounts receivable and payable are the statements of all open accounts with details of transactions and the balance amount payable and receivable in respect of each bill reference. AR and AP versus ledger account. The party debtor creditor ledger balance also reflects the total amount of open bills in respect of all transactions with the party. So the ledger balance and the total amount of dues in respect of the party in the accounts receivable payable statement should match. So the accounts receivable and payable statement is the bill-wise details of open amount of the ledger balance of the party. The ledger account is the chronological statement of each transaction irrespective of bill reference. So the ledger balance does not show the bill reference wise breakup. In ledger, the pivot point is date of transaction, while in accounts receivable and payable, the pivot point is bill reference. The closing amount of ledger gives the net balance of the party, but does not give the bill-wise details of balance. The ledger is part of statutory books of accounts, while accounts receivable and payable is just an accounting statement used for control of receivables and payables by the management to tackle and manage accounts of multiple transactions.